This is what I sing from the cross. Fuck you, Rich. Or I would be a party now if you were trying to hope to fly in the yacht. I'm the yacht. It's not a golden eye, but I put my cross and hope to buy another yacht. What do you say? I'm gonna have a yacht. Here we go. Yacht club. I'm for the yacht club. The power of Washington. I'm for the yacht club. Your usual donations always welcome. To do, or I could buy a yacht. I could give our starving kids a lifetime supply of seasoned ribs, or I could buy a yacht. I could wipe out homelessness and then give the town free internet. I could probably more or less erase the really public debt. Everyone who is the popular money needs silver Corvette, or I could buy a stupid fucking yacht. With the water up in red, I can be the president. I can do everything you said. If he's this much of it, I'll be more yacht. Y'all think this is spinning by you now?
Thank you for coming out. I appreciate it so much. We appreciate it so much.
That was not an approved thing to say on mic.
I didn't clear it with Dwight first. I'm sorry. I went off script.
It's okay. It's all right. I'm gonna hire him back after the show.
I'm on an improv kick lately, so.
Yes, and.
Martin Short was great on improv on Captain Ron.
There you go.
Oh.